I'll just give you a quick demonstration. This little clip here pops off, and you can slide the hose back on. So that's how that goes. And the clip sits here on top of there. But you know, take the clip off, put it on. Clip goes back on. Boom. It's on. That's 3 different attachments. 1, 2, 3. So using the wide attachment here, and we have the blower power, airflow. Counterclockwise is lower, clockwise is higher, and we have the power and the heating element. So we have power. I got it on low right now. So pretty powerful on low. So let's turn it up on high. So that's high. And that's without heat. So it's actually pretty powerful, and I'm sure this is going to dry really, really quick. So let's give you a shower and check it out. There's some heat on. Heat's right here. Way, way faster than a dryer. I am so glad that I got this. It took me at least 20 minutes to get a good dry. And he's almost dry. Like right now, he's almost dry. It's crazy how fast this thing dries. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is about 5 minutes. 5 minutes of drying. You don't even need a comb. It's so fluffy. It's so fluffy. It's amazing. Amazing. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Wow. Look at you. You're so fluffy. You're so fluffy. Oh, so dry. But total 10 minutes.